Hey folks, are you getting the easy anti-cheat is not installed error while launching Fortnite on your gaming rig? No sweat. In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the easy anti-cheat is not installed error in Fortnite. So without further ado, let's dive in. Solution 1. Repair easy anti-cheat program. To do this, first open up the Epic Games launcher. Then click on Library. After that, click on the three dots icon below the Fortnite poster and select Manage from the pop-up menu. Now click on this folder icon and the File Explorer should open up. Next, go to the Fortnite game folder. Then open up the binaries folder and then go to the Win64 folder. Now go to the Easy Anti-Cheat folder. Here you'll find the Easy Anti-Cheat _EOS setup. Right click on it and then click on Show More Options from the context menu. Next, click on Create Shortcut and a shortcut will be created here. Now right click on the shortcut and select Properties. Put in a space and type Repair. After that, click on Apply and then on OK. Now click on the system tray icon. Then right click on Epic Games Launcher icon and select Exit. Next, double click on the shortcut we created and then click on Yes. And you're done. Now launch Epic Games Launcher and then Fortnite and check if it launches properly. Solution 2. Verify and repair the game. To do this, open Epic Games Launcher. Then switch to the Library tab. Now click on the three dot icon below the Fortnite poster. Next, click on Manage from the pop-up menu. Then click on Verify. After that, the launcher will verify and repair any corrupted files. Once the verification and repair process is done, restart your computer. And after your computer boots up, the error shouldn't pop up in Fortnite anymore. Solution 3. Uninstall and reinstall Easy Anti-Cheat program. To do this, first open up the Epic Games Launcher. Then click on Library. After that, click on the three dots icon below the Fortnite poster. Then select Manage from the pop-up menu. Now click on this folder icon. And the File Explorer should open up. Next, go to the Fortnite game folder. Then open up the binaries folder and then go to the Win64 folder. Next, open the Easy Anti-Cheat _KAMU folder. Now we have to uninstall the Easy Anti-Cheat, but before that, close the Epic Games Launcher. To do that, click on the system tray icon. Then right click on Epic Games Launcher icon and select Exit. After that, double click the Easy Anti-Cheat setup. Then click on Yes to give permission. Now click on Uninstall at the bottom left corner of the window. And Easy Anti-Cheat will be uninstalled. Now note down the file path here and reboot your computer. After your computer turns on, open up the File Explorer and come to this location again. Next, open up Easy Anti-Cheat setup just like before. Then click on the Install Easy Anti-Cheat button and click on Finish. Lastly, reboot your computer. After your computer turns on, the error should be gone. So that's it folks, that's how you troubleshoot the Easy Anti-Cheat is not installed in Fortnite on your computer. If the video did the trick for you, show it some love by smashing that like button. And if you're still struggling with the issue, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. As always, thanks for watching.